Richard here with Davidson Cycle Audio and Remote Starters. Posting this video, going to show you guys what this bike is going to sound like. Customer reached out to us all the way from Mississippi. Definitely honored that that happened. Customer was looking for a tune system to be shipped to him and liked the way our stuff sounded. We have completed that and we have now shipped it to him effectively today. Look forward to him getting that and his reviews, which will be added to this video at a later date. But as of right now, this is a 4-speaker on a 2012 Harley Davidson, essentially Street Glide Batwing. So it's got DS18 in it, Cicada 700.4 DSP in the front. That is pre-tuned and now shipped to him. Can't wait for him to hear it. If you guys need anything from us, we are now going to be doing this in the future at the launch of our new website. You can see us at davidsonsaudio.com. Thank you and hope you guys like it.
Inside my heart is breaking, I'm drowning.